Hopper Travel App Review 2025. My honest experience. Booking flights at the wrong time can cost you hundreds of dollars. Hopper claims to predict prices and save you money, but does it really work in 2025? Here's my honest experience. Hopper is a travel app focused on flights, hotels, and car rentals. Its standout feature is price prediction. The app analyzes billions of prices and tells you whether to book now or wait. Most people get this wrong by ignoring notifications. Hopper's alerts are where the real value is. When prices drop, you get notified instantly. In my experience, Hopper's predictions are often accurate for popular routes. I've seen price drops of 10 to 30% simply by waiting when Hopper recommended it. Hopper also offers price freeze and cancellation flexibility, though these features usually come with small fees. You won't believe how useful this is when plans are uncertain. The downside is customer support. Like many travel apps, support is mostly digital, and response times can vary. Another limitation is that Hopper doesn't always show every airline, especially smaller regional carriers. The surprising truth is that Hopper works best as a research and tracking tool, not just a booking app. In 2025, Hopper is excellent for travelers who plan ahead and watch prices closely. If you book last minute or want live human support, it may not be ideal. Used correctly, Hopper can save real money. Subscribe for more travel app reviews based on real-world use.